In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to generate proposals in Explore. You'll learn how to generate a site study, browse and filter through the generated options, and bring one of them into Sketch. In this module, we are going to use the generative tool in Spacemaker to create a new proposal. This is called Explore, and it is located in the top menu bar on the left side. Explore is a toolbox for generating and working with many proposals at once. It will let you generate new proposals, iterate on ones you find interesting, and improve the high distribution of buildings to achieve various qualities. You can get started by creating a new site study here. Every new site study comes with three basic settings: building properties, heights, and apartment layouts. First, we can go into the building properties and set some basic parameters for a study, like the function or the width of the buildings. You can also give input on what kind of layouts is Spacemaker going to use for generating proposals. Let's unselect a few of them which might not fit well in a dense urban environment. In the height section, we have two main possibilities: create a study with a given height, or use varied heights based on a certain analysis. When choosing varied, we can define the min, the average, and the max number of floors that we want to achieve. Then we can choose between three different target qualities. Let's choose sun on facades and set the time to nice summer afternoon sun. In the apartment layout section, make sure that we turn on the apartments, and let's click on Generate. After a short waiting time, the generated solutions are starting to appear on your screen. You can see how Spacemaker is trying to divide up your site and trying to fit different layout types on the created areas. You want to wait till the generating sequence stops. This shouldn't take much time. We might want to filter these solutions based on the achieved bay area or the footprint. We can do this up here on the right side. Let's filter to a smaller footprint and a higher gross area. You can see all the proposed solutions which fall within the filtered areas, and you can also inspect them in 3D too by simply clicking on them. You can see it here that Spacemaker has also created layout solutions for the generated volumes. With this heart icon, you can mark up the best ones as favorites so you won't lose them for a future process. Let's just mark up a few which look promising. In this case, we can look for solutions which can fit well in a dense urban environment. All these favorite solutions are stored here. You can compare them by using the given area statistics or just by looking at the solutions. When we find one, which can be a nice basis for the future work process, we can create a proposal from it in design by choosing the Add to Proposal list option here. That was it for now. Thanks for watching.